Hello, my name is Jeff Jump, and I'm with Jump International Business Brokers. Today we're going to discuss the mistakes sellers make and how to prevent them in a deal. So the first one, which is the most important one, is confidentiality. So we want to keep this deal from leaking out. We don't want the employees to know, we don't want vendors to know, we don't want anybody to know about it. Because if people find out about it, especially the employees, they could end up quitting. If customers find out, they may end up looking for other vendors. So let's keep it confidential. The other thing to consider is inventory. I've seen a lot of bloated inventory where companies hold on to inventory that's actually obsolete and artificially increases the inventory value. So clean up your inventory and get it to where it matches your balance sheet. Because if you start having things that don't match up, then you're going to lose the buyer's trust. One other thing that I recommend to people is to clean your business. Let's get it cleaned up, floors swept, mopped, countertops cleaned off, people's desks cleaned off, instead of having clutter laying around all over the place, and make it presentable. You only sell a business one time, that's it. The last but not least, financials. Make sure your financial statements and your tax returns for at least the last 3 years agree with each other. So I highly advise you meet with your CPA and make sure your financial statements are cleaned up. And if there are any differences, those differences should be notated on your tax return. Thank you very much for listening. You can find out more information on my website.